What if one court decision could completely reshape American politics? A ruling so powerful that it could influence the future of elections, leadership, and the political balance in the United States. Today, we're breaking down a major court development involving Donald Trump and why many experts say it could change everything. Stay with us until the end of this video because what happens next might surprise you. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into a major legal development that has captured attention across the United States. For months now, this case has been closely watched by political analysts, legal experts, and millions of Americans. The courtroom proceedings have been intense, the arguments have been powerful, and the stakes could not be higher. Now, a new decision from the court has sparked a nationwide conversation. Some people believe this moment could mark a turning point in American political history. Others believe it's simply another step in a long legal process. But one question remains. What does this ruling really mean for the future? Let's break it all down. To understand why this moment is so important, we need to look at the bigger picture. Over the past several years, American politics has become increasingly intense and deeply divided. Major legal battles, political investigations, and courtroom debates have repeatedly made headlines. Among these developments, one particular case began drawing national attention. Legal teams on both sides presented arguments, evidence, and testimony. Each court hearing revealed new details, new interpretations of the law, and new perspectives on what the outcome might be. With every hearing, speculation grew. News networks discussed it daily. Political commentators analyzed every move, and the public watched closely. Everyone was waiting for one thing: the court's decision. Inside the courtroom, the atmosphere was intense. Judges, attorneys, and legal advisors carefully examined every argument. Every word spoken during the hearings carried weight. Legal experts debated constitutional questions, legal precedents, and interpretations of federal law. Some analysts argued that the outcome could set an important legal precedent. Others suggested the political implications might be just as significant as the legal ones. Outside the courthouse, reporters gathered to capture every update. Television networks aired special coverage, and online, millions of people followed the developments in real time. The anticipation continued to grow. Then came the moment everyone had been waiting for. The court announced its decision. Within minutes, news alerts spread across the country. Supporters and critics immediately began reacting. Some described the decision as a major legal milestone. Others viewed it as a controversial ruling that could trigger new political debates. Legal scholars quickly started analyzing the implications. Could this ruling influence future legal challenges? Could it impact the political landscape? And could it affect upcoming elections? These questions quickly became the center of national discussion. Political analysts say there are several possible outcomes from this decision. First, it could shape how similar legal cases are handled in the future. Second, it could influence public opinion across the country. And third, it might become a key topic in upcoming political campaigns. Legal experts are now closely studying the court's reasoning. Some believe additional legal steps could still follow. Others say this ruling may close an important chapter in the legal process. But one thing is clear: the conversation is far from over. Across the United States, reactions have been mixed. Supporters argue that the court followed the law and delivered an important ruling. Critics say the decision raises new questions about politics and justice. Social media platforms quickly filled with opinions from all sides. Political leaders, commentators, and everyday citizens are all sharing their views. This moment has once again highlighted how deeply engaged Americans are in the country's political and legal system. And it shows how one decision can spark debate across the entire nation. Now the big question is, what happens next? Some legal analysts believe additional challenges could still appear. Others suggest this ruling could influence future court decisions. It may also become a major topic during political debates and upcoming elections. As the situation develops, many people will continue watching closely. Because in American politics, even a single court decision can shape the path forward. Moments like this remind us how powerful the legal system can be. Court decisions don't just interpret the law, they can also influence the direction of a nation. Whether people agree or disagree with the ruling, one thing is certain: this decision has already become a major moment in today's political conversation, and the story is still unfolding. If you found this breakdown helpful and want more updates on major political developments, make sure to like this video. Also subscribe to the channel so you never miss our future reports. And don't forget to share this video with others who want to stay informed about what's happening in American politics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.